Welcome to this bestforexeas.com website and our ToborFX EA review. The ToborFX EA is an advanced automated trading robot designed to optimize your Forex trading experience. Priced at a discounted $169 for a lifetime license, it offers users one live and one demo account, along with free updates and customer support. This EA focuses on currency pairs such as Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar, NZD/USD, US dollar to Swiss franc, and Australian dollar to Swiss franc, and operates effectively on the M5 timeframe. Currently, there are two packages available for ToborFX EA. The lifetime license offers one live and one demo account with free VPS for 1 month, regularly priced at $179. The upgraded package, the lifetime license plus VPS, includes the same account access but offers free VPS for 12 months, priced at $299. ToborFX utilizes a mean-reverting strategy, leveraging the natural oscillation of currency prices around their average to capture profit opportunities efficiently. This fully automated robot is ideal for both novice and experienced traders, providing consistent returns with minimal risk, even in volatile market conditions, such as significant news events. One of the standout features of the ToborFX EA is its sophisticated money management system. It analyzes historical data to determine optimal lot sizes and risk levels, allowing users to customize their risk tolerance and making informed decisions based on real-time market analysis. The system requires only a minimum deposit of $20 on a cent account or $1,000 on a standard trading account, making it accessible for a wide range of traders. Setting up the ToborFX EA is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly interface and comprehensive video tutorials. Additionally, users benefit from responsive customer support to assist with any questions or issues they may encounter during installation and operation. The ToborFX EA not only promises reliable trading but also mitigates the emotional challenges often associated with trading decisions. By automating the trading process, it allows users to set it and forget it, providing peace of mind while still actively participating in market conditions. User testimonials highlight the effectiveness and reliability of the ToborFX EA. Beginners have found it particularly transformative, experiencing steady returns and a smoother learning curve thanks to the robust support and educational resources available. Experienced traders appreciate the advanced features that enhance their strategies while minimizing emotional involvement in trading decisions. In conclusion, the ToborFX EA presents an excellent solution for traders looking to enhance their Forex trading capabilities. With its innovative mean reversion strategy, user-friendly setup, and invaluable support, ToborFX is well equipped to meet the needs of traders of all levels. The lifetime license, available for just $169, includes everything you need to start trading effectively with ongoing support. Don't miss this opportunity to automate your trading and improve your financial prospects. Grab your copy of ToborFX EA today. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Michael Sommer.